out and about this morning, man. What a beautiful day in southern Utah. We've got a little break from the wild weather we've had. We got the old snowcat loaded, and we've got the Ranger all ready to go. See if we can got a cabin up on the mountain that's got a shed porch that's got a big old wowie in it. It's about to cave in, so we're gonna run up there. We've got some lumber with us and a couple shovels. We're gonna get up there and see what we can do to get it all shoveled off, and hopefully that old thing don't cave in. I even brought Becky with me today. What'd you get us? Oh, she got some dough balls and some white cheddar chips. So we're gonna get up the road to see what we can figure out. I've got my favorite boots on too. They're not white, sorry guys. Well, there's a lot of snow up here. Man, there's a pile of snow. But we're working our way in. We're going to unload at the bottom of Maloney Hill, is what we call it. I think, if we can get that far. But we better get up there before that thing caves in. Look at
safety first. Or like Mike Rowe says, safety third.
Yep, safety third. Maybe won't even climb it. I'll be screwed. Some serious snow. Did you get our earplugs? Huh? Got enough tools?
I hope so. If not, I wish we did.
Think it's gonna cave in before we get there?
No.
Well, we're working our way in here. We're just climbing the main grade. Maloney Hill headed up. It is a beautiful day. Man, pretty up here. So we're going to get in, hopefully get this re-engineered, get her fixed. Hopefully it'll survive the winter. See what we can do. There is a lot of snow up here, man. Look at that. No wonder that cabin's leaning. Oh, man. It's a little deep. Look at this cabin. It's just gone. You can't what?
It's fine. Just that little chain thing? Or my seatbelt? Still got your sticker on your butt.
I do.
We just picked it up today.
Bottom. I told you I haven't had to have any for like 5 years.
And you haven't missed out on any of this, have you?
Watch out!
Man, I can't believe that.
There's a lot of snow up here.
There's a lot of. What was your first indicator that there might be a lot of snow up here? You're not playing the game, are you?
That stuff's frozen on there.
The ice is.
Shoveling.
Show you Southern Utah boys how it's done. I grew up in Cache Valley. I know what a snow pile looks like.
Did you try getting up right there?
I did. I had to get on the end.
What? Big block of snow.
Man, look at that mess. We had, what did we have? 9 feet of snow?
9 feet of snow.
We took off 4.5, 5 feet. We got another 4 feet to take off. But this old cabin got swallowed right up. This is what I get to do for work. It's amazing.
You couldn't have asked for a better job today.
No, this is such a beautiful day too. Look at this. Man.
Yesterday.
to get in?
Your little snow cave?
Look at that snow. What do you think of that, babe? Crazy. It's got a little bow in it. Not as bad as it was.
They're gonna get some extra posts this summer.
Yeah.
I don't know. But I got a saw in the back.
We're gonna find us a hole right here. We're gonna put a beam in there, or a post in there. Yeah, we're all right. I wasn't getting under here with all that snow on it. I can guarantee that. What a mess. Can you hold that thing? Oh, creak! Crack! It's gonna stay there?
Grab the screws. We'll make it stay there.
That's better.
Just got to get the right setting.
Yep.
Sorry, Kelly, but
There's another peak right here.
no. There's probably a vent.
Kicks it off.
He's got it in his hand.
Another peak right here.
No.
Woo! That was worth the hike.
That's too much work.
guys seen what I got there? I got a cup of ice, and I'm gonna be a happy fella in a minute. Man, that was a good time. We had about 4 or 5 cabins to check on today when we were up there. And we did a little work, had to pull some snow off of one, start a couple generators, reset some Wi-Fi, you know, the whole 9 yards. Oh man.
Pack some roads down.
Pack some roads down so they can get in there and get out. So we're wore out. We shoveled our guts out today. And the one cabin was able to pull most of it off with the strap, but what a good time. Kolob Mountain, we're blessed to have a big pile of snow, and let's pray that it all comes off nice and gentle. So we'll get up the road. Thanks for coming along for the ride.